You're going to use some extra money this week. How about $675? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get $675 this week with the Acorns promotion going on. Now, I've been doing these videos for a few weeks now. I think it's my third week doing this, maybe fourth week. I don't know. Anyway, the Acorns app is free to sign up. And as you can see right here, they do these promotions. Okay, so last week it was for $1,400. The week before that was 350. They range, right? They range in what they give you, but it's pretty much a weekly thing. So if you could use some extra money, this is an absolutely very simple, very inexpensive way, very affordable way for you to go out and get that money, right? So as you can see, we 675 when you refer just 3 friends. And what you would need to do, I'll just come over here. Um, what you need to do is we'll invest 675 into your investment account when you invite 3 or more friends to sign up and invest. So each friend will also get a $5 investment bonus. Okay, so when they invest their $5, because that's the requirement, you just got to invest $5. Sign up for the app, invest $5, and they'll give $5 right back. So I think this is pretty awesome. There's all kinds of ways to make extra money from the comfort of your home. This is just one of them. It's just a referral program. It's an investment app. You can learn more about it by just going to the link in the description. But basically, all you do, you sign up for the app, you invest your $5, and then you go and invite your friends. So invite whoever you want to know, whoever you know, invite people you don't know. In the past, when I have been awarded these promotions, I've just gone to people I don't know. Like I'll go on social media and I'll just reach out to them. Hey, if I could show you how to flip $5 into 675, is that something you'd be open to taking a look at? Or you can make videos like I'm doing. There's all kinds of ways of going about it, but we're talking just 3 people invest just $5 and you get 675. How cool is that? And what's really cool is these promotions are ongoing. So these are like weekly promotions. Like I said, last week was 1,400. The week before that was 350. They've been 1,200, 900. It just ranges. Some weeks it's only refer a person, you get $5, but most weeks they're giving you the opportunity to make some quick cash that you could use to invest. You could pull it out, put it in your bank account, use it for however you want. Completely up to you. But me personally, I think it's freaking awesome because you don't need a lot of money. So anybody out there who is on a shoestring budget, money is tight. This is really an option for you to do that. It doesn't cost you hardly anything. All it costs you is sharing it with some people. And when they sign up, you get $5. And you get your 3 this week, you get 675. It's a way to grow your investment account as well. So there's a lot of positives to this. So let me just scroll down here real quick. So just a little bit about it. Make investing easy. Automatically invest spare change from everyday purchases. A checking account that saves and invests for you. Invest a little as your spare change or $5 a week. Invest a little as your spare change or 5 a week. Aim for your goals. Maximize your growth. So you can read all about it when you come to this page and decide to get started. It shows you how much you can contribute, all that fun stuff. What is it? All this stuff. Okay. So this is legit. Acorns is a legit app. It's been around for years and years. They pay. I've been paid. So it's something. If you could use some extra money, if you just want to grow your investment, if you just want to have your money grow for you, I mean, how cool is it? Like you can just participate in these promos and start making this money week after week and start really getting ahead on your investments. I mean, I think that's awesome. Or use the money for however you want. So with that, make it a great day. I appreciate you watching. And again, just go to the link in the description to create your account. Remember, you just got to invest $5. I have the directions in the description. but you could also see them right on the page as well when you go there. Okay, so with that, talk to you soon.